emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. The emergency alert. For an odd reason, a chunk of Antarctica has vanished. It is unknown why. Also, water for some reason cannot fill in the gap in the continent. This happened on approximately August 22, 2023 at 2:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are unaware of what will happen next or how it happened. Information will be given during the future.
We recently sent a crew to visit Antarctica to see what happened. We received 2 logs before their disappearance. They said 3 more chunks from north, south and west disappeared. For those who are wondering, we are known as the emergency alert system. Possibly, the entire continent may disappear. There are endless rumors. We are sure that this is not true. We might fix this within a week. This was also captured by the satellite. Yet, we apologize about this. We will return normal programming momentarily.
An emergency alert is in progress. The update will soon be given. An emergency alert is in progress. The update will soon be given. An emergency alert is in progress. On August 8, 2023, half of Antarctica vanished. We are heavily concerned and yet unsure how this happened. On August 9, 2023, the first chunk disappearing on camera was caught on camera. The footage won't be played for a few reasons. Some believe that the world will vanish in just 2 weeks. Others say it stops at Antarctica. But the government says this will all stop and rebuild eventually. Please stay calm. We will fix this solution within a week.
We recently attempted to search for a solution to this problem and we had received some shocking news. But it appears that anything we use will have no effect. We believe it is impossible to stop this effect. We will alert the White House about this recent information, along with the 7 other research facilities across the country.
Hello, this is the President of the United States. Who is this?
This is one of the researchers from Sioux Falls. We have some urgent information. We have been researching for a while and we then saw a process that made things impossible to stop it. There has been an unknown substance making it impossible to stop this. I hope you understand.
Yes, in fact, I do understand. I will now activate the emergency alert system when I finish this call.
This is radio station WLRN, serving public media to the Miami metropolitan area and all of South Florida. Here is our new news on the situation since the beginning of August 2023.
The new form of the world shows that southern Argentina and Chile and including the Falkland Islands have vanished. along with half of New Zealand and almost South Africa. The Southern Ocean is barely existent, and the mantle can be seen by some photos on Twitter or Facebook.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please stay calm and listen to any given instructions, whether it is on radio, television, or on sirens nearby. You may have noticed by the recently received news, all of Antarctica vanished and the process isn't stopping. Well, the president had received some news from the researchers in the city of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. They claim to believe this process is unstoppable due to some sort of abstract molecule making it impossible to stop. Residents who plan to visit places under the equator must stop immediately. Planes flying above a chunk that is about to disappear will disappear with it. Good luck.
I know. Everybody run. An earthquake.
This emergency alert will be playing for the next 30 minutes. If you are in this, the areas of Rio Grande do Sul and Santa Catarina are being deleted within the next 45 minutes. Bring the listed essentials to the northern area of Brazil. Specifically, food, water, clothing, medical supplies and battery power radio in case of ficar radio abrupt response. We will not repeat this message. Good, look to those and remember of Brazil and its glory.
Australia is almost gone. Half of it has vanished. But there is hope. Mars spaceships have arrived to land and will depart tomorrow afternoon. Here is the schedule. Ship 121 from southeastern Brisbane will depart at 2:45 p.m. Ship 198 from northwestern Darwin will depart at 3:10 p.m. Ship 203 from central Port Hedland will depart at 3:25 p.m. Ship 256 from south central Darwin will depart at 3:45 p.m. Ship 283 from northeastern Cooktown will depart at 4:05 p.m. Ship 300 from southwestern Rockhampton will depart at 4:15 p.m. Ship 326 from northeast central Katherine will depart at 4:25 p.m. and Ship 440 from southwestern Carritha will depart at 4:35 p.m. Store your items in a secure firm draggable bag, like a suitcase, purse or luggage. Firearms, drugs, cigarettes, sharp items, water bottles and anything banned from planes by law will be removed by agents who inspect your items. You will be arrested for 30 days to 2 months if usage of drugs, sharp items, firearms or anything harmful to human bodies. Wish you luck getting to one of the ships. They will depart soon.
This is radio station KQBR serving for Lubbock, Texas. City below the Texas Panhandle. Being sent through at a frequency of approximately 168,950.4 MHz. The current time as of right now is 9:01 a.m. Weather as of now is sunny. Between 79 and 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Small thunderstorm expected to hit north of Lubbock during 5:03 p.m. and will end by 7:02 p.m. Central Daylight. Emergency alert for the southern parts of Texas and Florida. In 2 hours, a whole chunk of the southern USA will be permanently removed from Earth. Bring necessary supplies and evacuate now. Mars ships will land in Houston, Austin, and other cities in North Texas and Florida, along with small parts of Georgia, New Mexico, and Arizona. Good luck. Evacuate. Good luck. Evacuate.
Hello, I am Craig Aries. I am covering for Tom, because he went on the spaceship from Florida. The emergency alert system has been activated. We believe the world was disappear in 3 days. 75 spaceships will land across what's left of the USA, and 85 more for the rest of the world. Bring all necessary supplies, including food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and if necessary, bring electronic devices, since Wi-Fi sources are receivable on Mars. Good luck to all, and hail USA.